Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transition my hair from this to this cute little bun with a side bang. So stay tuned to see the entire transformation process. So first I'm going to start off by just kind of wetting the hair because I want it to be wet to make it easier to work with. And then I do want my bang to go to this side, so I am going to keep this part that I already have. I wear my hair in the side part so much, my hair is like, yep, let's do this. So I'm going to take this and just separate this from the rest of the hair. Prior to getting to this point, I did start the process of creating like a wash and go look because I want to texturize and define those curls because I want it to be curly in the top of this bun. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'll link below my wash and go video and the tutorial I used to actually create my wash and go and the products I use for this particular wash and go as well. But I want to show you guys how I create this bun with this style. So like I said, just wetting it all around. You're going to need your handy dandy brush and some gel. And I'm just going to take some of the gel, ample amount, and just kind of rub it in the back of my head here. And around the perimeter because I need this to be sleek. So I'm just brushing it up all around, making sure that it's nice and smooth. And this side too. Okay, so now that you kind of got it to start, I'm just bringing this up like this. I do want this to be a pretty high bun, so I'm going to just take, now that I got it kind of where I want it to be, keep on smoothing it all around. So my hair is rather thick, if you haven't noticed. So I'm going to let that stay loose for now. Alright. So we're going to unclip that front part now. And then literally just kind of grab it like this. And just, you're going to just bring it around. Slowly but surely. Take the bobby pin and just secure the hair. Put them on my bobby pin. Because I don't want this to be super sleek. It's kind of like a loose little flirty style. But I do want this side sleek, so I'm just going to go over my whole perimeter yet again to make sure that it is smoothed out. Now this part, it's still kind of a little puffy right there, so I'm just going to spray it. When I say puffy, I mean like the curls are just not fun. So put a little gel there to kind of bring the curl texture back. See how it's kind of sleeking out? I don't know if I really like the little Michael Jackson curl after all, so I'm going to take that in, bring this down a little bit, and secure that little pot down. Damn, so now I'm about to lay these edges real quick, real quick. Whole squad on there. Do a little twist curl here. I like these little flirty curls that just be like popping out of nowhere. Like, girl, oh, this curl's just coming out of nowhere. Like, I know. Right? Make sure it's slick in the back. Some gel on it. And this is the final look. So it's just something cute to do with the little side bang here. I like how slick this bun is on top. So it's just a switch up to the traditional bun, some way that you can put a little extra life to it and give yourself some variety in your style. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video to show you guys how to spice up the traditional bun by doing a cute little side bang. And if you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure to hit that notification button so you can be notified when new posts become available. Until next time, bye my gems.